If you are over 40 and your creatinine levels are creeping up, listen closely. You may be just 5 fruits away from protecting your kidneys and avoiding dialysis. A 50-year-old man creatinine dropped naturally without drugs just by changing his fruit intake. Sounds unbelievable. It's not. And in this video, you will learn exactly how. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss life-saving natural health tips like this one. And make sure you stay till the end because the number 5 fruit is the most powerful but most ignored. Did you know that millions of people over 40 are silently walking around with dangerously high creatinine levels and they don't even know it? High creatinine is more than just a number on a lab test. It's a red flag that your kidneys are overwhelmed and can no longer filter toxins out of your blood properly. Creatinine is a waste product produced when muscles use energy. Normally, your kidneys remove it efficiently, but when they are stressed, creatinine builds up fast. And here's the scary part, you might not notice symptoms until it's too late. Common signs include constant fatigue, swollen legs, feet or face, shortness of breath, metallic taste in your mouth, decreased urine output. Unchecked high creatinine can lead to kidney failure, dialysis, and even permanent organ damage. The good news, you can support your kidneys naturally, starting today with food that nourish and gently cleanse your body. That's what we are about to uncover. Let's look at the 5 everyday fruits that are scientifically proven to support kidney health and flush out excess creatinine, especially if you are over 40. 1. Apples. The gentle cleanser. Apples are rich in fiber, especially pectin, which binds to toxins in your digestive tract and helps eliminate them before they even reach your kidneys. They also help lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar, and reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to kidney stress. Choose red apples with the skin on and eat one daily. 2. Red grapes. These are packed with resveratrol, flavonoids, and potassium, all of which support blood circulation and reduce oxidative stress in kidney tissues. Research shows that red grapes can lower creatinine and uric acid levels in people with early kidney damage. Eat a handful with breakfast or blend into a smoothie. 3. Berries. Berries are a powerhouse of vitamin C, manganese, and anti-inflammatory polyphenols. They improve urine output, fight infections like UTIs that can damage kidneys, and repair micro damage to kidney cells. Avoid adding sugar. Enjoy fresh or frozen plain. 4. Watermelon. Watermelon is a natural diuretic. It increases your urine production gently, helping your kidneys flush out creatinine and excess fluid. It also contains lycopene, which reduces inflammation. Eat in the morning or after light exercise to boost hydration and toxin removal. 5. Guava, the underestimated superfruit. Guava is low in potassium, which is great for kidney patients, but rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. It improves digestion, supports blood sugar balance, and reduces kidney inflammation. Eat guava with the skin for the full benefit. It also helps lower blood pressure naturally. So now you know the 5 powerful fruits that can help cleanse your kidneys and lower your creatinine levels naturally. But here's what most people don't realize. Even if you eat the right foods, certain everyday mistakes can quietly undo your progress. pushing your kidneys to the edge without warning. Let's talk about what to stop doing immediately and what to replace it with. Mistake number one, low water intake. Dehydration is the number one silent cause of high creatinine. When you don't drink enough, your kidneys can't filter out waste. Fix it by drinking at least 1.5 to 2 liters of water daily and infuse it with cucumber or lemon for added cleansing benefits. Mistake number two, too much red meat. Red meat is high in creatine, which your body breaks down into creatinine. Overconsumption leads to a surge in waste your kidneys must deal with. To fix it, replace it with plant-based proteins like lentils, tofu, or a boiled egg in moderation. Mistake number three, painkillers and overuse of medications. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen are harmful to your kidneys when used frequently. So how do you fix it? Use natural alternatives like ginger, turmeric, or talk to your doctor about safer options. Mistake number four, ignoring high blood pressure and diabetes. High BP and diabetes are the leading causes of kidney damage if left unchecked. They damage the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys. Fix it by controlling sugar levels and manage blood pressure with exercise, fiber-rich meals, and fruits like apples and guava. Here's a bonus tip. Try drinking barley water or adding parsley tea to your morning routine 2 to 3 times a week. Both are natural kidney cleansers that help reduce fluid retention and ease the kidney's workload. If you found this video helpful and you truly care about protecting your kidneys, especially after 40, please hit that like button so YouTube shows this to more people who need it. Don't forget to subscribe to Green Health channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss life-saving tips like this. And remember, the most powerful changes often come from the simplest steps. These fruits, habits, and hydration tips can make a world of difference for your kidney health. Drop a comment if you've tried any of these fruits or want more videos on natural kidney healing. I'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video. Green Health Cares.